when you just don't think about, when you just don't think about it, no. Pain goes by when you just don't think about, when you just don't think about it, no. I think my vision's getting blurry, swear the reaper's in a hurry. Yeah, I say I got no worries, but feels like nothing's gonna cure me. I don't really know why, been so damn sick of this ride. Just one off so I can feel normal for once. Fantasize about gripping the gun. And I got lots of problems, medicated, solve them. Slowly I've been falling, slowly I've been falling. I got lots of problems, medicated, solve them. Slowly I've been falling, slowly I've been falling. No, no.
Voices in my head, I don't want no more pain. Voices in my head, I don't want no more
pain goes by when you just don't think about, when you just don't think about it, no. Pain goes by when you just don't think about, when you just don't think about it, no. I've been living by myself, my parents saying find help, but therapy is kinda scary, yeah, that's what my brain repels. I've been living sedentary, driving past the cemetery, couple feet right from my house. If that's the end, then I want out. I got lots of problems, medicated, solve them. Slowly I've been falling, slowly I've been falling. I got lots of problems, medicated, solve them. Slowly I've been falling, slowly I've been falling. No, no.
Voices in my head, I don't want no more pain. Voices in my head, I don't want no more
pain goes by when you just don't think about, when you just don't think about it, no. Pain goes by when you just don't think about, when you just don't think about it, no. Separate ways, cause lately I don't feel the way that I used to, that I used to, that I used to, that I used to. You and I go separate ways, cause lately I don't feel the way that I used to, that I used to, that I used to, that I used to. I reminisce on the days back when we used to hang. Used to laugh at all my tracks until I finally got paid. Girl, I gave you all my time, all you gave me was pain. When you came back in my life, no, it just ain't the same. You think every song's about you, no, I never doubt you. Said I'd never make it, but I'm doing fine without you. Thought that I was special, I was just a vessel for you to use me up and let me suck with all my devils. Separate ways, cause lately I don't feel the way that I used to, that I used to, that I used to, that I used to. You and I go separate ways, cause lately I don't feel the way that I used to, that I used to, that I used to, that I used to. I don't mean to try to make you mad at me, but ever since you left me, that was something I was glad to see. Cause now I'm moving up and you've been stuck inside the old me. If you see me, act like you don't know me, cause I don't fuck with you no more. I hope that's clear for you, my dear, but I'm good now. Hope you are too, with that burnout that you fled to. that I used to. You and I go separate ways, 'cause lately I don't feel the way that I used to, that I used to, that I used to, that I used to.
Always going through these cycles, been so fucked up in my head. I could just end it all tomorrow. I keep going on instead. With my past and all my problems, I'm weighed down by my regrets. I could just end it all tomorrow. I keep going on instead. Another day of the week that I don't get any sleep. I'm sick of grinding my teeth and I've been feeling so weak. Think I'm down for the count, feel like I'm running on empty. Yeah, I'm going down but I won't let it kill me. So I'll hang on until I die. I'm wide awake, I won't find peace tonight. So you can watch me drown, I'll be just fine. I got a lot of fight left in me this time.
You can't use me up no more. You can't use me up no more. You can't use me up no more. You can't use me up.
Swear I'm always going through these cycles, been so fucked up in my head. I could just end it all tomorrow. I keep going on instead. With my past and all my problems, I'm weighed down by my regrets. I could just end it all tomorrow. I keep going on instead.
Going through cycles, it's a downward spiral. One day I'll be fine and the next I go psycho. You're better off without me, so I'm leaving. Maybe I'll be better by the weekend. So you can call me when I'm dead. All the voices in my head never calm me down, never calm me down. Sick of living with this dread, and I'm sorry I upset you. I'm sorry now, yeah, I'm sorry now, yeah. You can't use me up no more. You can't use me up no more. You can't use me up no more. You can't use me up.
Swear I'm always going through these cycles, been so fucked up in my head. I could just end it all tomorrow. I keep going on instead. With my past and all my problems, I'm weighed down by my regrets. I could just end it all tomorrow. I keep going on instead.
Yeah, it's that super no Shima flow. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's that super no Shima flow. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's your boy, it's your man, Young Josh A coming through with the plan. I wrote a couple songs and I gained a couple lives. Moved to Orlando, now I'm living fine. Yeah, I got a brain for a dentist and I train like a menace. But the passion is music, I've been in it for a minute. Goddamn, giving it everything that I can. I've been making some fire, my ego is boosted. I don't wanna go back. I've been looking at my life like a throwback. How far I've came, man, that's so rad. I remember when they said my music's so bad. Young, shy, and chosen, they laugh until they hear this young man go in. I've been making the killing, just chasing my dreams, right until I cannot breathe. Yeah. Yeah, it's that super no Shima flow. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's that super no Shima flow. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's that super no Shima flow. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's that super. Yeah, 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 yeah. Man, what can I say? Other than that, I am great. I've been at it making songs every single day, and the people want more, so I'm slaving away. About to quit my job and in my manager my mixtape. Yeah, this is my passion. You're only ready for the tape and the game will tap in. I just really wanna make it, man, I'll make it happen. And there's gonna be more than just pointless stabbing. Drop love and I found a new outlet. Girls wear me out, swear they need a new outfit. No romance anymore, got a hand on the door and I'm leaving that part of my life. Man, like Isaac Newton, no excuses. I'ma just focus on it, only music. History only wants the contributions. I don't think they care about your body count. Yeah. Yeah, it's that Zach, Super, no, Shima flow. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's that Zach, Super, no, Shima flow. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's that Zach, Super. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's that Zach, Super. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Stress all the time, I've been making my worst mistakes of my life. Still been searching for purpose. I don't know why all this pain finally surfaced. Stressed out my mind, made mistakes but I'm learning. And I've been making all of the worst mistakes of my life. Mistakes of my life. Try so hard to keep it together. I'm running for cover but that don't suffice. What's wrong with me? Feels like all these songs we're making just ain't songs to me. Just a way to ventilate the demons calling me. Just a way to keep me safe so they won't bother me. And I'm sorry I don't answer when you call me. I know you've been worried. Really nothing against you, just the way that I am. All the pain that I've been dealing with is gone in my head. No, pain goes on and on. I'm thankful, I'm so fucking grateful that I never